Hello everyone, so you can see Surf and Mecca. Now we are ready for our trip. Now we are planning to go to where, Mecca? Europe. And Sophie is also coming with us. Now she is busy in working, so she can say, now I am offline for a week. So hi everyone. Now finally we are on expressway. And this is our car. We have booked cab. Now you can see the view. It's 10 o'clock, no, 9 o'clock now, and we are expecting to reach by 11. So let's see. So hi everyone. Now we have reached to the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal Airport, and it's 10:30 right now. So let's see. So hi Mecca. Finally we are inside. We are in the airport right now, and we are going to. So this is my bag. This is my passport, and you can see the weight of my bag. It's only 5.2, and we are to Lufthansa Swiss flight. So finally, you can see my ticket. One is from Barcelona, Frankfurt to Barcelona, and another is Bombay to Frankfurt. Everyone, this is immigration of India. You can see lots of crowds are there. Everyone, now finally we are at the lounge, and you can see I am took orange juice and Mecca is having something, and this is the view of lounge. Everyone, your favorite cameraman is back, and now we are heading towards gate number 77. It's Mumbai airport, and our flight is at 2:30, right? Hey, 2:40 or something, approx 3 o'clock. So let's see now. Now what's the time, Mecca? Now it's 2 o'clock. Just now we came from lounge, and we are going towards our gate number. Everyone, I remembered back that when we were going to Malaysia, our gate number was 69, and our flight was delayed, and we were sleeping that side. You can see that sofa everywhere, and now we have to go to gate number 77, and car was to crash. Hi everyone, just now I took this medicine. You can see from the airport towards our gate. Now we are taking flight for Frankfurt. You can see the public. Lots of public are there. Is first and second Mecca?
Qatar is one.
We are going from Qatar Airways. Maybe Etihad is first, right?
Emirates.
Emirates. Now we are in a queue. Everyone.
Mein Name ist Oliver Rüb, ich bin der Kapitän heute auf dem Flug nach Frankfurt. Im Namen der Lufthansa und der gesamten Besatzung möchte ich Sitzmann zum Bord recht herzlich willkommen heißen. Sie merken, dass wir sind heute nicht pünktlich unterwegs, jedenfalls wenn wir nicht pünktlich in Mumbai starten können. Wir werden so schnell wie möglich nach Frankfurt fliegen, allerdings erwarten wir im Moment eine Ankunftsverspätung von etwa 45
How they instruct in international airways, they don't have any people, just you have to see your screen and understand how it will. This is the international flight. There's a screen everywhere now.
Dieses Flugzeug hat.
Hi everyone, good morning. Just now I got up, and it's 9:30 in India, but now what I am seeing is it's 5:30, whatever the time is. So still will take 3 hours to reach. Yeah, it's 5:49 a.m. I'll show you the screen, and still it will take 3 hours to reach Frankfurt. And seriously, I went to sleep and I slept a lot. So this is what you can see. Still 1975 kilometer left, and where we are. Now they will show you. This is Bombay to Frankfurt. Speed is 793 kilometer. Distance is itna. Location and temperature is minus 51 degrees Celsius. So you can see, and the arrival time is showing is 2 hours 37 minutes. So let's see where we will reach. Hey everyone, now you can see still 1 hour and 55 minutes is there, and now our breakfast is here. You can see mine Mecca has taken French toast and I have ordered omelette, and it's wow, looks good. Let's eat and show you. What do you have? French toast.
Hey everyone, as you can see, Raj is making his breakfast. He got his coffee, apple juice, fruits, sausage, egg, hash browns. How is your experience, Raj?
Good, very nice breakfast.
Oh, nice. And I got French toast, fruits, hot water, and one bun.
Hey everyone, as you can see, now we are going to reach in 17 minutes, and now we are at 644 kilometer per hour speed, and this is minus 11 degrees Celsius. Now you can see the map. This is the map. So now we are getting down in Frankfurt. So hello everyone, your favorite cameraman is back. Now just we landed in Frankfurt. Now we are going towards immigration, and then we'll go and see Frankfurt. Then after that, let's see how we'll explore Frankfurt first, then let's see after that what we'll do. We are deciding to go to Barcelona maybe, or Munich we can go, or few places we are thinking, but let's see what we'll do. So it will be totally surprise. And what is the most expensive thing is traveling with the yeah. So how everyone, this is the ATM which we have used to withdraw. Now we took 600 euros from, which is 60,000 something in Indian currency. So let's see. So hi everyone, this is Frankfurt airport. Just now we are heading towards station, that is 514. Yeah, 514 was showing. So let's see. So hi everyone, just now we took this train ticket for the city center, which is cost around 21 euros, which is most probably, I think so. How much in Indian currency?
2,000.
It's 2,000. This is the station. Now we are heading towards Frankfurt, and it's cold out here. So this is the view of station. You can see. So hi everyone, just now we entered in our train, and we are heading towards city center. But what, as I have already shown you that we are taking 21 euro for one side. That is pretty expensive. You can say 2100 rupees. Yeah, but let's see how far it is. Hi everyone, I thought I'll show you. Hi Mecca. I'll show you how train looks like. So this is the train. So you can see now one station is coming. Which garden? Gateway Garden station is there.
Nächster
So
Halt,
finally
Frankfurt
we are in Frankfurt, Germany, and these are beautiful trees and view is so beautiful. And Mecca is tensed because we have to change train and all, and we don't have any idea about Frankfurt. The first time we came to Frankfurt, and let's see. So this is the view. everyone. And now we are at Frankfurt Süd station, you can see. And now we are changing train. So it's cold. It's pretty cold here out. And we got two good people who are guiding us where we can go, how we should go. So hi everyone, finally we reached to the city center. Yeah, of course we'll go Mecca. This is the city center. Which station is this? Which is the place name? No, it's not you. Hi everyone, you can see there. And one thing I've seen for this store, you can see the line. People are coming in line for the store opening. I think it's a new store, and you can see the big line, big line. Mecca. So hi everyone, you can see the city center of Frankfurt, and it's really very nice. And you see lots of places you can sit, you can chill, and cops are everywhere. You can see their bike. Even
We have to go this side.
okay, fine. So this is view of streets of Frankfurt. There are lots of stores are there, and maybe in evening people will come, and this is the view we'll get to see. And it's pretty cold here. I think 8-9 degrees. What do you think? How many? Matlab, what will be the temperature? Yeah. See, in other country, everywhere people use cycle. In our India, only they don't use.
Safe.
Even road is not safe. What?
Working stock. The chappals famous with it.
Which one?
There. Birkenstock.
Oh, Mecca. There, Mecca. Wow. See, you can see that double decker. Oh, it's just city tour you want to do, kya? Actually, we can do Mecca. How much time it takes? Chalo, we'll go and ask. I think so. 1 hour only they'll take. So this is.
By 11 we should head.
I think so. Chalo, we'll ask, then let's see. So this is the bus. Now we'll go and ask.
I think 3-4 hours.
No, I think 2 hours, 2-3 hours. So you can see this is inside the city tram, and we reached one of the famous church in Germany. You can see it.
See that side.
Wow, so you can see the old construction everywhere. And this is the main center of Frankfurt, you can say. Main square of. Wow. See, you can see so many people are roaming around. And this is the church. Oh wow. See Mecca this side. Wow. Wow, looks so beautiful. That is, see that? Wow. Looks so good. Wow. Yeah, sorry. So you can see the unique church and the cave wedding. That's why they are carrying 2 guys photo. They are celebrating it. I think they got married. You can see last one. You can see they got married. And how people are celebrating. Hi. So I kept my bag that side. I'll go and bring my bag first. This is my bag. So you can see this is tour guide, and now we are heading towards this big church. This church, and you can see the streets are good. So you can see, looks so pretty. They have made city, small, like miniature cities. Looks good. Mecca liked it, I think so. And this is the street. And this is music performance. And this is the church we came, I think so. Oh, wow, this is the main church. Wow. Looks good. So now we are inside the church. You can see. Oh wow. A big church that I've shown you. Here. Now we are heading towards. This is the church. Now I'll show you the height of this church. It's literally very big. And Mecca is walking towards where Mecca we are going?
Bridge.
Acha, there is boat even I think in sea. That is boat.
Yeah, that's why the bridge will be that side of
Hmm.
the boat is.
We can pass, right?
Something like
This is mart or something, I think so. No, through small shop. So hi everyone, finally we reached here. You can see the bridge behind me and the boats are there, and it's a lake, and GT Mustang is going that side, and it's really pretty. You can see so pretty that side. Wow, I'll show you from back camera. So hi everyone, just now I came to know something unique about this bridge. But first see this view. What is the unique thing about this?
This is Lovelock Bridge. So people tie their bridge, they tie a lock on the bridge and throw the key in the river.
Oh, there will be lots of keys
so
inside.
that it should be lost, no, that no one will find and open.
Wow, let's go. So yeah, you are going to take a lock or no?
I love it.
So finally we are on the bridge, and I'll show you. There are lots of locks. Mecca, come. Wow, nice view, na?
Yeah.
Cold. It's cold. Very cold. The view is so good. So it's now time to show you the logs. You can see it's so old, actually very old, and very that strong one. But really, if they don't remove these logs, they'll come after ages and they'll search for their log then. of course they need to clean it up actually.
वेट बढ़ जाता है ना.
हाँ, this is like Indian lock. You can see the locks. Mecca, यहाँ this side will take photo. Wow. So again we came and this is what we have seen just now. Which movie we is showing? Shah Rukh Khan wale people. London he all used to go na US. This type only. This is tram, you can see. Tram. Ooh. Started coming in. So hi everyone, now we took this and one chicken burger. This is chicken burger. This is not hot actually. So you just need to eat it cold. And one this, I don't know the name. Hi everyone, now we came to cheese store. And everywhere you can see is cheese. And different type of snacks even you will get. I think we should import something. This is of €9, €7, €3. These are the cheese. You can taste it. And then you can
We used to get some cheese like this, which was red wrapped like that around, and
What is
then
it?
inside
Taste
it
this.
was white. Sheep cheese. This is sheep.
Tell me about your experience about the cheese. Which cheese you like?
It's interesting. I like that.
Which one?
Smoked.
Which smoked cheese good? This one is good.
This one.
Even I. So hi, Mecca. What do you think about this bag? This is Rolls Royce of
Bags.
bags. So you can see the price is approx 20 lakh rupees of this bag, and this all bags are so expensive, so expensive. So seriously, I got surprised by seeing. I thought Mecca's bag is one of the expensive bag, but no, still 20. Yeah, I have to earn a lot to make people happy, I think so. So let's see. Mecca, when is Halloween?
31st October.
Oh, and where we are that time? Oh shit, so bad. But you can see the moving. Oh. This is which floor? Third or fourth only, na? So that is the sign of washroom. Mecca, what it's called? And probe. So just you need to remember in Germany, if you want to go to washroom, you have to ask people and probe. So hi everyone. Just now I told you we went to washroom, and one thing what I observed, even in mall you have to pay and go to washroom. That for you have to pay €2. €2 is approx how much, Mecca? 200. More than 200 for a person to pee. Then it's expensive. But yeah, but I didn't thought ki even in mall they will take money for washroom, and that was really surprising for me. But that's all. This is the experience what you get in other countries. Then what I think, Mecca, yeah, of course this is a special mall where they can keep 20 lakhs bag. Then of course they should charge a big amount for washroom. Or what is the max price you have paid for washroom in Europe Mecca? Tell me that. Where?
Venice.
Venice. Oh, good. So, how's your experience?
2018.
Actually, tell me about the experience about Frankfurt. What you liked, and
Nice. I like the old town square. There were different buildings.
what else?
And that was a
And what about the chicken burger which you had?
chicken burger was okay.
Cold chicken burger. Sorry, cold chicken burger. And we told them to make it hot, but they say no hot means no. They can't do. We are on first floor, right? Oh. Let's see. So this is the mall. So this is just Old Town Frankfurt. What happened? Oh, see. Now she is running behind him. See? Now she... Oh, she wanted something. Oh. And see this structures. That's what I was saying. Na? Even from this you can go, and from that side say we came, but we can go from this even. See that way by small bacha is there, I think. Yeah. See where she is jumping.
Kurz warten, bis sie weg ist.
So hi everyone, you can see the gates. So nice, they did packing and everything to this. This we came to a store, the same mall, Galeria. What is? Take now one. We'll try anything. What is this? This what soaps want? What is it?
No, it is liquor.
Oh. So hi everyone, now we are going back to airport from this type of train, and this is the main station of Germany, and you can see there is a big network of train in Germany. Actually what I got to say. So you can see how beautiful this is. Germany is. Wow. The beautiful, and the lake, water is so clear of the lake. See, it's not Mulla Mutta of our India. See, roads, wow. The place is beautiful. And autumn. So we don't have to give anything. Okay, we don't have to. Immigration we have to do. So hi everyone, we are back to the airport. So let's see, now we are searching for the A counter departure.